All right, here we are at Arches National Park. We're gonna go do something that I've been wanting to do for a hot minute. The fiery furnace. I've been wanting to do this for years, and we finally were able to get permits for it. I think he just bought the tickets. Like, it was way easier than I was expecting. Let's go explore the fiery furnace. All right, we made it to the first arrow. That means we're going the right way. This way.
That way?
Camille, no, that way. We're going the way the arrow said.
What did I hear you say? Keep driving faster, keep driving faster now. Ooh, keep driving faster now. Ooh, this house is burning down and we'll survive the fire. Oh, you think that you don't need me? I'm trying to keep us together. Will you help me? This house is burning down through all the wildest.
Hey Katie, how's that sandwich? Is it delicious? Katie's gonna try something. We're all wishing her luck.
It's a V8. One serving of vegetables. I have to get 4 today. Can I drink one? Tastes like I'm drinking tomato soup.
It's better off if we just This house is burning down. Can we survive the fire? Oh, you think that you don't need me? I'm trying to keep it together. Will you save me in this love of ours?
Skull arch.
Down into the fire. I remember how we used to be. Sweet reverie, sweet reverie. Until the lights turn on, until the days go dawn. I never thought that I'd remember the way you felt forever. I'm trying to keep it together,
Right there is bouncing around.
keep it together. I'm trying to keep us together. This house is burning down, and I can't stop the fire, and I can't stop the fire. I wanted to.
We made it to Surprise Arch. Why did they call it? Because it's a surprise. It comes up on you.
Will you save me? This house is all we have, but it's
Well, we just ended, and here we are eating at the Sunset Grill. What'd you guys think of the fiery furnace?
It was so good.
It was so
Yeah.
cool. It was so great.
Yeah. Speaking of cool, it's cold, so we're gonna head inside. Let's go. All right. See you guys next time.
Oh, you think that you don't need me? I'm trying to keep us together. Will you help me?